Today I want to show you how to delete blank pages in a Word document that may seem to be undeletable. I have this document here, and I want to delete a page here. And so the first step that I may want to take is by going to this Home tab, and then under a paragraph, go for this show hide icon. You click on it, and then the shortcut for that is Control Shift and 8, Control Shift and 8, and then you highlight all of this, and then you press delete. That's the first method, and the blank page is gone. If I undo that, so that's the first method. So the second method that you may want to use is by going to this editing group, and then you click on replace, and then the shortcut for this is you press Control G, and then go for these three tabs. You choose on go to, make sure that the page is highlighted. It's the first one. You click on it, and then you type in the following backslash, then you type backslash, then you type a page, and you hit enter, or just click on go to like that, and then you close. Now you click on delete key, and the page will be deleted just like that. So those are the two effective methods that you can use to delete the undeletable pages in a Word document.